The drivetrain is a fundamental part of any robot. Here, we explore essential designs. Tank drive with 4 or 6 wheels. Holonomic drive. X drive. A tank drive is ideal with omni wheels. The axis of rotation is always at the center of the motorized wheels. Having motorized wheels at the back of the robot will increase the rotation speed of its front side, making it harder to control because of its quick turns. Having 4 motorized wheels by either using a motor for each wheel or one motor on each side driving the wheels on that side with chains and sprockets will place the pivot at the center of the base for an ideal control. A tank drive with 4 omni wheels cannot defend by holding its ground when pushed from the side. Adding a 5th motorized omni wheel at the center of the base will compensate this weakness and increase the robot's mobility by enabling it to drift sideways. If the robot must climb a ramp or a bump, make sure that the wheels engage the ramp or the bump before the frame of the robot. Ensure enough elevation of the robot to prevent it from getting stuck on bumps or on ramp edges. A tank drive with 6 wheels, 2 motorized traction wheels at the center and 4 omni wheels on the edges works well for defense and places the pivot at the center of the base for an easy control. To climb ramps, all 6 wheels must be motorized, which can be done with chains and sprockets. If only the middle wheels are motorized, then as soon as the front wheels engage the ramp, the middle wheels will be lifted off the ground and the robot will lose traction. The mechanism drive is known for its wide range of motion, namely the side drift, made possible by the tilt of the rollers distributed on the wheel's circumference. Identical wheels should be diagonally mounted, and each wheel is driven by a motor, which would place the pivot at the center of the base. This drivetrain duplicates the motion of a tank drive and adds to it the possibility to drift sideways. To slide to the right, the wheels on the right side have to turn towards each other, while the left ones would turn away from each other. To drift to the left, reverse the rotation of all wheels. This X drive features 4 omni wheels, each driven by its own motor. Wheels on the same diagonal are parallel. The lines joining their centers perpendicularly bisect each other. To move forwards, turn the front wheels towards each other and the back wheels away from each other. The same applies for the other directions. Turning 2 parallel wheels will move the robot diagonally. Turn all 4 wheels in the same direction to rotate the robot about the center of its base.